Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Father's Day, and so the first thing I want to do is wish all the fathers a happy Father's Day. And for me, it's also a seafood day. Normally I will be doing a seafood boil, but I'm going to switch it up today and do a seafood bake. And if you've never had a seafood bake, you've got to check this out. Hands down, 10 times better taste-wise than any seafood boil. Though not as healthy because of the butter content, but YOLO. Anyway, with that in mind, let's go ahead and get started. Hey, let's do this. Now for your seafood bake, you put whatever seafood you like. But for me, I got clams, crab legs, scallops, mussels, and shrimp. For the sauce, we have butter, minced garlic, hot sauce, virgin olive oil, a lemon, and Coach Kitchen's baking and dipping sauce seasoning. Now make sure you guys clean your seafood before you put it in the pan. You want to remove any barnacles or anything that's stuck on the side of your mussels or anything like that, because they will be baking in your sauce. All right. Let's get our oven preset to 350 degrees and start preparing our sauce. In a medium saucepan, we want to melt our 4 sticks of butter. Also add our oil. In our medium heat, you want to stir it until the butter is melted. Make sure you keep stirring it because you don't want to burn your butter. And once your butter is completely melted, then we can reduce the fire down to low. Now we want to add our seasoning, which is where all this flavor is going to come from. Get that mixed in. And I know you don't have this seasoning, but where to purchase it is at the end of the video. All right, let's add in that garlic, that minced garlic. Our hot sauce. And then our lemon. Now let's get everything stirred up. And you want to stir this for about 5 minutes because you want to get the seasoning to dissolve into the butter. And after everything is mixed, you want to take the sauce and pour it over your seafood in the pan. And be careful because that sauce is hot. And by this time, your oven should be up to 350 degrees. So let's go ahead and get that seafood in the oven. You want to bake it for about 30 to 40 minutes. And when it's done, this is what you got. And after you place your seafood on a plate, then you want to take a large spoon and dip down into the pan and get some of that sauce and put it into a separate little container. And that's what you're going to do your dipping in. And that's it, folks. Some of the best seafood you'll ever eat. Bon appetit, and don't forget to like and subscribe.